Hello guys, welcome back with the second puzzle in this additional of today's newspaper of Tuesday. Yes, Tuesday, December the 28th, 2021. And in this additional, we have 9 puzzles, and the first puzzle I have solved is the 3-star Sudoku. I won't do them all. I've told you only 5 of them, half of them I will solve. And the second Sudoku I will do is a 4 stars puzzle. 4 stars puzzle. That means I need, if it's really a 4 stars, 30 minutes or more I need to solve a 4 stars puzzle. And this puzzle will be number 3895. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 24 printed digits. Correct me if I'm wrong, alright? So, let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. Let me start with 8. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column. So the column next. The only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 in the last row, 8 in the row above. So that row, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 4 missing numbers in this column. One of the missing numbers is 7. We see a 7 in this big square. So no 7 in these 3 boxes. 1 box left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the third column, 7 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see there 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. We see that 7, no 7 there, 7 should be there. And all the 7s are used. I can see. This is number 1, number 7. Alright. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 8 and the 7. 6. Correction. 8 and a 6 in the last column. So no 8 and a 6 in these 3 boxes. The 8 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 8 and a 6, 8 and a 6. We see there 6, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and 8 goes there. Alright. Okay. 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. 8 in the last column, 8 in a column next. So in that column, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see there, 8, no 8 there, 8 should be there. Alright. 8 in the third row, 8 in the second row. So the first row, only 3 places left for the 8 should be here, here, or there. We see there an 8, no 8 there. Here an 8, no 8 there. The only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see a digit number 2 and number 8. Okay. How about this 6 in this row? 6 in the middle row, so the row below, the only place left for the 6 should be there. Well, 6 in the last column, 6 in that column. So the column between, the only place left for the 6 should be here. Okay. 6. Well, I cannot continue with the 6, I believe. Let me choose another digit. How about 3. 1, 2, 3, 4, 359. 359. Well. Yeah. We have a 2 in this column, 2 in that column. So the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 2 should be there. Yeah. 2 missing numbers in this column. For the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and 5, 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Alright. Okay. We need a 5. 3, 5, 9. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5 is missing, 6, 7, 8, and the 9 is missing. 3, 5, 9, 3, 5, 9, and look, we have a 9 and a 5 in the last row, so no 9 and 5 in this box. 9 and 5 goes in those 2 boxes. That's a pair, 9 and 5. 1 digit left in the last, in this column for number 3. Okay. 1, 6. 3 missing numbers then in this big square. For the numbers 1 is missing, 2, the 3, the 4 is missing, 5 and the 6 is missing. 1, 4, 6, 1, 4, 6. And look, we have 1 and a 6 in this row. So no 1 and 6 in this box. The 1 and the 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 1 and a 6, 1 and a 6. 1 box left in this big square for number 4. Alright. Okay. 4. 4. 3, 9. Yeah, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 9 in this big square. We have a 9 here in the middle row, so no 9 in these 2 boxes. So 1 box left for the 9. Should be there. Then we have a 9 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. 9 in the middle column. So the column next, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be there. 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see there 9, no 9 there, 9 should be here. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column. So the third column, the only 3 places left for the 9 should be here, or there. We see there 9, no 9 there. Here 9, no 9 there. The only place left for the 9 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1. The 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And the 9 is missing. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 9 there, no 9 there. 9 should be here. And the 2 goes there. Now we have a 9 there. So this box can be 9 and more. That box should be a 9. And this box should be a 5. And all the 9s are used. I can see digit number 3, number 9. Okay. Then. We have here 2 missing numbers in this row. For numbers 1, the 2 is missing and the 3 is missing. 2 and the 3. Let me mark those 2 boxes. 2 and the 3. How about these 3 missing numbers? The 1 is missing, 2, 3, the 4 is missing, 1, 4, and the 5 is missing. 1, 4, 5, 1, 4, 5. Cannot fill this yet. 1, 4, 5. Let me mark those. 1, 4, 5. That means 1 box left in this column for the number. 1 is missing. 2 and a 3 is missing in this column. We have a 3 here, so no 3 in these 3 boxes, or 1 box left for the 3 should be there. Okay, 1, 2, 5. Okay, 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. Okay. 3 and 5, 3. I'm thinking. Yeah, 5. There should be the 5. Here should be the 4. 2, 1, 6. How about these? 2 missing numbers in this column. 1 is, we have here the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 4 and the 5 is missing. 3 and the 5. 3 and the 5. Well, I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 6, 6. 6, 6. 6, 6, 6. Okay. Think. 5. The 1. No. 2. 2. Yeah. We have here the 3. 3. I'm thinking. How about the 6. 6. No. 5. 5. No 5. But the 4 then. 4. No. I need a pair because I cannot continue. 4, 3, 2, and a 1, 2. Well, we have a 2 in this row, 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only place left for the 2 should be there. 2. 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We see here 2 in the first row, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. Here 2, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. That means we have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box cannot be a 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 3. Yes. Alright. Okay. 3. 3. 3. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 3. We see here 3, no 3 in these 2 boxes. There 3, no 3 in those 2 boxes. 3 could be here, could be there. 3 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 3 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the second row, the only place left for the 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4 and a 5 is missing. 3 and a 5, 3 and a 5. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here. And the 5 goes there. Alright, 1 box left in this row, the middle row, for the number 1. So what are the other 2 numbers in this big square? For the numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, and the 5 are missing. 4 and the 5. Okay. Then. How about 4. Yeah. 5 and 3. Come on. 3. 1. 1 box left in this column. We have 1 and a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. The 5 is missing. Okay. 5 in this row, 5 in the second row. So the third row, the only place left for the 5 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 and a 2, 1 and a 2. Oh, we have a 2 there. No 2 there. 2 should be here. The 1 goes there. Alright. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3. And the 4 is missing, 1 and 4. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 4 goes there. So we have a 1 in this row, 1 in the third row. So the row between the second row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. And I've eliminated the 2, so the 2 goes there. Do we have all the 2s? And all the 2s are used. I can see. Digit number 4, number 2. Alright. Well, these two numbers in the first column for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. Alright. 1 number left in the third row for number 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And the 6 is missing. 3 and a 6. Let me mark those 2 boxes. Okay. Now we have a 4 there. So this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. And this box should be a 5. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row. So the row above, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see there 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers. So 1 is missing, 2, and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 there, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and the 3 goes there. Now we have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 anymore. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 6. 1 box left in this column, third column for number 1. Now we have a 1 here, so this box can be 1 anymore. That box should be a 1, and this box should be a 6. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for numbers 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing, 5, and the 6 is missing. 4 and the 6. We have a 6 there, no 6 there. 6 should be here. And the 4 goes there, finish in 17 minutes. Wow. Quicker than the previous Sudoku. Previous Sudoku, I need 22 minutes, and this one is 17 in 70 minutes. So is this really a 4 stars? No. Is this really a 3 stars? No. It's rather a 2 stars. Yeah. Surprising. Although it has 1 less digit. Yeah, 1. This one has 24 printed digits, and this one has 25 printed digits. So you cannot always say the less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. It depends if you have a lot of pairs or hidden numbers. Well, I'm well pleased with the time, and I like this one. I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching, and we'll see you later with the other 3 puzzles. We have 3 puzzles left: the binary, the tectonic, and the Sudoku mix, aka Killer Sudoku. Until then, bye-bye for now.